Welcome, viewers, to another session. We are going to cover a very important document used by hotels. The title is Waiver and Release of Liability for Babysitter Services Provided. This is thanks to Park Hyatt Goa Resort and Spa. This was shared with me by one of my students who had trained with Park Hyatt Goa. And I once again thank the management for allowing us to use this document. Those who do not know what a babysitter is uh, a temporary caretaker for little children, especially those who are below 5 years of age and who cannot take care of themselves on their own. And for this duration, the parents have some work outside, they wish to go somewhere else, and baby would be an inconvenience. So, babysitters are also provided by hotels on payment of hourly charges. They are hired on a per hour basis. But then it's a very sensitive subject, and if things go wrong, then things go horribly wrong here. And that is why all hotel management students must be aware of this kind of precaution that needs to be taken while hiring a babysitter and no giving it to a parent, uh, to parents staying in the hotel. So first thing you'll notice is the child's name, how many children are there, and all the names must be written so that later on no claims can be made about some other child. Medical information. Does your child have any physical or medical condition? Which means, do they have any previous illnesses or are they unwell even now? So you have the parents have to tick yes or no. And if they have any medical condition, like, then they have to actually mention what that condition is here. If yes, please specify what that condition is. Please list drugs or items that the child is allergic to, or any other specific things that are not mentioned, that are not recommended to be used with the child. So, what things the child has to be protected against, what babysitter should not give them, provide them, even if demanded by the child, these things must be uh, taken in writing from the parents before allowing a babysitter service. And now the release of liability. Park Hyatt Goa Resort and Spa, its servants or agents will accept no responsibility under any circumstances for accident, injury to child, and the name of children, regardless of cause or any fault or negligence, and I release Park Hyatt Goa Resort and Spa of any liability. So it's a legal precaution. Whether this precaution will stand in the court is a different issue, but nevertheless, we have to take precautions. In the event that I cannot be reached to make arrangement for emergency medical attention at the time of an illness or accident, I hereby authorize Park Hyatt Goa Resort and Spa to take the child to the hospital of their choice. So this is like if something goes wrong and the child has to be hospitalized, then Park Hyatt can decide on their own in the absence of the parents' recommendations where the child has to be taken. I hereby release Hyatt Hotels Corporation, its parent and subsidiaries, officers, directors, agents, affiliates, employees, the owner of the hotel, and each of them called collectively as Hyatt. So it's a very extensive list. We have seen this before in the release of liability for supply of medicines also from any and all claims, and understand that the babysitting services provided by the hotel are at my request and at my risk. So hotel is not taking any chances and asking the parents to release the hotel from all such responsibilities. Babysitter services are not normally provided through hotel employees. They are often independent individuals who live outside the hotel and they're not employees. I do not think any hotel actually hires babysitters as permanent employees. So they're always part timers. Uh, Sometimes they are students, sometimes they are ladies looking for part time jobs. Further, I hereby agree to waive and any and all of such claims, damages, demands, rights, or causes of action. So the parents have to like release any claims in advance. They cannot claim any damages, any compensation against the hotel for anything going wrong because of the actions of the babysitter. Such release and waiver is to be binding upon my heirs, executors, administrators, and assignees. So everybody who is related to the parents in any way legally, they all will have no claim against the hotel for actions of babysitter. Further, I hereby agree to release and discharge Hyatt from any and all liability as stated above. So, in case the parents refuse to sign this, then the hotel will also regret its like inability in providing a babysitter. And then a legal language, all in capital letters, just to make sure that guest has no claims of misunderstanding later on. I acknowledge that I have carefully read this waiver and release and fully understand and that it is a waiver and release of liability. So not only they have read, but they've also understood it, and that is what they are vouching for, signing for. Name of the guest is mentioned here, room number, signature, and this form is being uh, requested by the management of the hotel, Park Hyatt Goa Resort and Spa. So this was a document which hotel uses in case it supplies, it provides babysitter services to parents staying in the hotel. That's all in this video. Any questions? Most welcome through comment section. Have a pleasant day.